The first step is to find a nice piece of wood and 2 shorter sticks either in your backyard or in a friend's backyard. These sticks should have some character such as small mushrooms, moss, rugged bark, and other distinguishing features. Next, cut the wood at 2 distinct locations in order to create a more bow-like curve. Drill 2 holes into the top of each end of the stick you cut. Use super glue and dowels to attach each of the 3 parts together. In a similar fashion for the other 2 sticks, drill 2 holes in the center of the smaller sticks and in the center of the upper and lower part of the bow. Then attach with super glue and dowels. Next, reinforce each joint with Magic Sculpt, which is a 2-part epoxy resin. After the Magic Sculpt hardens, wrap the joints in the natural vines you found. Use black walnut wood stain to cover the resin and prevent it from showing through the vines by dabbing in between the cracks. Next, wrap the entire bow with artificial leaves. Make sure there aren't too many leaves and clip them off here and there as needed. The last step is to use twine for the drawstring. Make sure this is tight. And there you have it, the Naturalist bow, inspired by Assassin's Creed Odyssey.